Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. First off, we got to give special thanks to Jackie for giving us the heads up on the information that's being delivered today. Jackie, again, thank you for the info. Now listen up, people. There's a couple of items that passed through the FCC not too long ago. They're going to be two wireless chargers, right? One is going to be for the Galaxy Note 10. That one's going to be a 25-watt fast charger. Don't know how fast it's going to charge wirelessly. We will find out a little bit more info on that later on down the line. Now, the one for the Galaxy Watch 2, that's right, I said it. The Galaxy Watch 2 is rumored to come alongside of the Galaxy Note 10. Now, take it with a grain of salt, right? Samsung has not confirmed anything, but this is the rumor thus far. Now, this wireless charger is going to be a 5-watt wireless charger for Samsung's Galaxy Watch 2. Now, we don't know if it's going to be a fast charger because we have not gotten one for any of the smartwatches thus far, but it would be interesting to see if we do. Now, there's a couple of things that's being said about this watch. There's not a lot of info at all. One is saying it's being called touch bezel, right? Which means that you're going to be able to touch the bezel to get certain reactions or maybe to go into certain applications on the wheel. Now, remember the Galaxy Watch Active didn't have a rotating bezel. So it's going to be real interesting to see how this is going to play out if this rumor is true about the name touch bezel. All right, so that's going to be it for the news, people. I'm going to keep you posted as I get the info on this new smartwatch and also on the Galaxy Note 10. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.